Arlo just broke the biggest TV in the canyon! Oh! Goal!
Imagination.
If he doesn't fix this before Spot gets back, it's game over! Ah!
Wait!
Oh.
Uh-oh. Spot thinks Dr. Spot is in the house! Oh! Don't press anything else! Press the forbidden button. Hey, you hear that? More bubbles? Yeah, dance party! Oh boy, here comes the grand finale. Is this the end of the dinosaur?
Wait, what is the...
Says. It worked! The machine actually fixed it!
I'm out of here.
relief?
Yay!
Imagination.
See?
Good as new. Totally meant to do that.
I'm done! Well, that was a close call. I am never dancing near electronics again.
This is fine.
And if you want to see me escape this bubble trap, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Talent show prep ever. Get ready for my amazing singing.
Roar! Roar! I just...
Me. Talent show judge. Gold ball!
It wants an encore. See ya!
Rat! Break!
Mi fa sol la ti. Do re mi fa sol la ti. We're a tough crowd. Run, Arlo. You do not like my... Time to go!
Hey, I am leaving! Okay, I am leaving!
Spot! Oh my gosh! Hurry up! Quickly, now!
Narrator says. Looks like they survived.
Snake was the ultimate judge. If you loved our crazy talent show, I bought it. Arlo's tummy is about to pop. Arlo, don't sneeze.
Probably wondering how Arlo got that big belly. Let's rewind 3 hours.
Ouch. Okay, to the treasure.
Was the dreaded mega chicken. Well, that was...
Next obstacle, the puddle of doom.
Arlo become a fossil?
treasure! Hooray! We are...
Imagination.
Was inside.
I don't feel so...
Over.
Right into the emergency room.
I'm a clown.
Oh no!
Here, have more treasure? Character A makes a faint distressed groan, which...
No more. I'm going to. Ravna.
Ah, much better. No more treasure for me.
Whoa!
Too big. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so my tummy doesn't explode again. Wait, is that a dinosaur running at the speed of light?
Ugh. Let's back up. It all started with a... Oh no! Look out! Whoa! Uh-oh. You all right? I got you! Get over here! Whoa!
Oh, I did see that's the way that be.
Nice. He had two choices. Fight or flight.
Gonna get you, Arlo! Stop running!
Incoming water hazard!
I'm sinking! Why isn't this working? Uh-oh. Just gonna float now. Bubbles! I won't give up. Take that! Hup, hup! Yeah! Almost got it. Just a...
Shut up and take my money.
I can't believe I missed it! All that work went!
Ha ha! Gotcha!
That bug was terrifying.
If you survive this camping trip, make sure...
Oh no! It looks like the ultimate betrayal, but wait! How did we get here?
Let's go back 3 hours. Arlo had the worst prehistoric cold ever.
Goonty got that, but Nurse Spot was on the case. Aha! Itch. Well, that's one way to eat lunch.
Oh! Ah!
Uh-oh! Arlo is not gonna like this. Bit medicine. Yeah.
I think that's the wrong button.
Yes. Oh.
saddest moment ever! Is easy, but being alone is hard.
Oh no, so cold. Oh wow, true friend always comes back. Yeah! If you're glad Spot and I are best friends again, smash that like button and
Please wake up and come out of the spooky stones!
It all started with a mysterious treasure map.
The X marks the spot near the big rocks.
Every treasure hunt has obstacles.
Spot, I'm right behind you. Yay!
Oh my God! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Mud is definitely
I know of a place.
to a spooky clearing.
Spot? Whoa!
A terrible misunderstanding!
The stones trapped him!
My best buddy!
We just wanted the treasure. Who's there? Who's there? Sniff! Who's there? Oh!
You're not trapped!
Woohoo!
He found the real treasure.
Wow! Mega!
Oh. I guess these rocks just had funny pic.
Woo!
Best treasure hunt ever!
This is fine.
Spot was turned to stone. If you laughed at my waterfall tears, smash that subscribe button for more dinosaur adventures. Job in history!
Ooh, hey!
My nose!
Guttigan. Let's rewind 3 minutes.
They thought this would be easy. Grrr. Oops.
Sorry.
Beautiful garden!
Whoa!
The pet is taking care of the HEM. Bless me! Ooh! Where did it?
The pet crossed the line. It took Spot's stick.
Gotcha! What? No! That's not gonna end well. That tickles. Whoa! Whoa! Oops, sorry about that. Sorry again. We'll get it back. Just follow my lead. Right, I'm ready.
Spot was about to use the forbidden cave bowl. Oh! Get it on! Go as planned.
Ow, he was just tired.
That was the craziest chase ever. If you want to see more prehistoric pet adventures, smash that like button and subscribe.
My champion!
Is a suit, Spot is a mermaid, and they just got robbed. Let's rewind exactly 3 minutes.
This isn't just tag, Spot. This is for the ultimate glory.
The stakes had never been high.
The games. Begin! Begin!
Amateurs.
Challenger has entered the arena. No!
Prize forever.
Resistance. I can cut her off at the lagoon.
Form. Flawless. Execution. Slightly crabby. Arc. Hey, you there! Over.
Foul play. Tag rules clearly state no fish. Teamwork. But who would make the catch? Flying mermaid!
Go!
A flawless victory! Followed by the roar of a crowd cheer.
Not bad. Now, who?
Trader says, and so the greatest beach game in history continues. Control. If you want to join our next epic game, smash that like button and subscribe.
How did Arlo end up in the fluffy pink jail? I win.
3 minutes. It all started with an ultimate race.
3 minutes ago, an ultra pink jail.
You're on, little guy.
Run!
Ready, set.
Through sand dunes.
Playing dirty. Will Arlo dodge it?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Hang on, I've got you, go. Don't fall.
I did.
Poot.
Those size is slowing him down. Oh!
Got a plan to get there faster.
Oh no! The shortcut was a trap! Here comes the final sprint! No! No, 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 no! Oh my god! A deal is a deal, Arlo. Time for... Oh my god!
The pinky! I'll win next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more dino pranks.
Imagination.
Rewind. It was supposed to be a quiet night's.
Help! I can't see anything! Get me out of here! Help!
But they did not know they were not alone.
Sea monster!
Oh, a pool noodle. Just a pool noodle. We were scared of a pool noodle?